This is a tutorial on filling out the reservation forms within Astra Scheduler to reserve space at Marymount Manhattan College. So on the left here are all the different forms available depending on the space you want. Today we're going to look at the library reservation form where you can reserve both seats and computers at the library. So this has a little more information about the form, and it also includes a link to the calendar for the library, both seats and computers. I recommend opening this in a new tab if you right click, and this is what that calendar looks like. And more information on how calendars work is in the calendar and scheduling grids tutorial, so please check that out. And filling out the form itself is pretty self-explanatory. Your name, your Marymount email, a phone number, you are student, faculty, or staff, and just re-enter your name and click Add Meeting. This is the time and date of the reservation that you want. You can create just a single reservation, multiple reservations with different dates and times, or a recurring schedule of reservations. I'm going to do multiple because this is a little tricky. You select the time that you would like and the date that you want and add it. And then if you want to change up the time again for another date, you do that. You choose the date, add it. And meeting name down here should autofill. Max attendance is 1. Add meeting. And there are the reservation dates and times that you wanted. And now you need a room. So although we know we're already in the library, room right now is defined as a seat or a PC. So this is a list of all the available spaces in the library. If it's not alphabetical, you just click on room, and now it's alphabetical for you. So all the Mac computers, all the PC computers, and here we get into all the available seats at the library. And you choose what you're interested in for each of the days, and you click OK. And it gives you a summary of what you selected down here. Make sure everything's accurate, and then you click Submit. And on the confirmation page, you'll get more information on the next steps for your request, if there are any, depending on the form that you fill out. And that is how you fill out a form.